Welcome to the fascinating journey of understanding the human eye as an astronomical instrument. In this course, we'll explore how our eyes have played a crucial role in the history of space science. Early astronomy relied solely on naked eye observations. For most of human history, there were no instruments, making the human eye essential in shaping early astronomical ideas. The sky served as humanity's first laboratory, where patterns were noticed through direct sight. Science, indeed, begins with seeing. The human eye is a biological detector of light, converting it into neural signals and working with the brain to form images. It's both a detector and a processor. Our eyes detect only visible light, leaving most of the universe invisible to us. We cannot see radio, infrared, X-rays, or gamma rays, highlighting a significant limitation. With the naked eye, we can see the sun, moon, planets, stars, and the Milky Way. While powerful, this form of astronomy is limited in scope. The human eye observes the daily motion of the sun and stars, seasonal changes in constellations, and the wandering of planets among stars. Our eyes can distinguish two close objects, but stars appear as points, and close stars cannot be separated, akin to reading fine text from afar. Due to limited resolution, binary stars appear single, distant galaxies remain invisible, and no surface details on stars can be discerned. Under dark skies, the human eye detects faint stars, judges brightness on a relative scale, and discerns differences in stellar color, though faint objects are hard to see. Faint objects and subtle color differences are invisible to the human eye, making bright stars and planets appear white. Improved sensitivity is needed for better understanding. The human eye cannot resolve fine detail, see faint objects, or detect subtle color differences, highlighting its limitations in sharpness and reach. Early astronomers thought stars were fixed points of light and believed Earth was the universe's center, lacking a proper understanding of distance due to limited vision. What we see with the naked eye is limited compared to the rich universe revealed by telescopes, which show binary stars, distant galaxies, and colorful nebula. Telescopes replaced limited human vision, revealing faint and distant objects and showing reality in greater detail with improved resolution, sensitivity, and color range. The human eye has clear limitations, but telescopes extend and enhance our vision, aiding discoveries about the universe. Next, we'll explore how telescopes have revolutionized astronomy.